Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Nick Gray from Phandroid, and we are at CES 2020 and taking a look at the new Suunto 7 Wear OS smartwatch. Now, you may not be familiar with this brand if you're not familiar with sports-centric watches like those with Garmin GPS tracking, but they've been in the business for a lot of years, over 50 years now, but this is actually their first Wear OS device. As far as the specifications go, you're looking at a 1.39 circular display with a resolution of 445 by 445 with a 450 milliamp hour battery, which actually will last up to 2 days on a single charge. As far as the processor goes, it's using the Snapdragon 3100, and it's actually one of the companies that's using the coprocessor on that chip and putting it to good use. You can actually put it into a dedicated sports mode and allow for GPS tracking and heart rate monitoring for up to 12 hours with that 450 milliamp hour battery. In addition to that, it has a full Gigabyte of Ram, which should be really good for running applications with Wear OS, and also 8 gigabytes of storage for those who want to load their music directly onto the device and stream it to their Bluetooth headsets while they're working out. The device will be available for $399 in quite a few different colors, coming at the end of January of 2020. Thank you guys so much for watching. For more coverage from CES 2020, make sure you stay subscribed to the Phandroid channel and check out phandroid.com. Thanks again, and we'll catch you in the next one.